Hey everyone, this is Mike.
And Renee, and we're middle-aged road rage.
And believe it or not, but we actually may have found something new for the new upcoming Honda Goldwing.
That's right, we did some digging around and we think we found something new and innovative that you might be interested in.
Let's talk about it.
So since 2018, many riders have enjoyed the power windshield on the Honda Goldwing. Pretty innovative, right?
That's right, but it sounds like Honda's getting ready to make some new changes.
New changes, but are they big changes for once?
Meh.
Well, I guess we'll leave that for you guys to decide in the comments below.
All right, well, why don't we take a look at what Honda's proposing?
Okay, so not many people have talked about these patent drawings about some auto-adjusting windshield for the Goldwing. Now, this is supposed to improve rider comfort and ease, but again, is this one of those things that they're planning? Do we need this?
Yeah, I'm not sure we do. I'd love the windshield just the way it is, but if it's better, it's better. Let's take a look at it.
So what we're looking at here is an auto-adjusting windscreen patent filed in Japan by Honda. This supposedly utilizes cameras, a microphone, and the bike's ECU for receiving information. And this is supposed to be, supposedly, introduced in the next generation Goldwing model.
So, do you think they're planning this for the 50th anniversary?
So the articles I saw said to be introduced in the next generation Goldwing model.
Well, in all honesty, Honda's been teasing us with these new patent drawings for quite some time now.
That's right. Who can forget the very popular Honda robot drone bike concept, right? Where they had the idea of putting a drone maybe popping out of the trunk of the bike.
That's right. There was also the auto balance motorcycle.
Right, the self-balancing.
That's
and
right.
then there was the radar adaptive cruise control, right?
That's correct.
So you guys grab a snack, because this sounds complicated. I mentioned a bit about it before, but essentially this patent application talks about Honda's auto-adjusting windshield system. So they plan on incorporating a microphone, cameras, and the ECU on, to ensure that the windshield can adapt to different riding scenarios. So their plan is to introduce voice-controlled systems in future Goldwing models that will reduce wind noise to make rider communication clearer. Now, for the operation of the system, they're planning on having a microphone that's mounted on the rider helmet, and then they want to have two cameras atop of the mirrors that face the rider's face. So, based on the information that the camera and the microphone are gathering, along with a handlebar mounted switch to control everything as well, the system's supposed to work in tandem with the ECU and therefore control the windshield's electric adjustment system.
Honestly, this sounds as interesting as it is complicated.
Well, that's where I'm just wondering, again, is it something we need? And you know what? I do applaud Honda because they are, the largest motorcycle corporation in the world and, of course, the most innovative, right?
They are that, and they're, once again, seems to be leading the way in something.
So I guess, the primary objective of them doing this is minimizing wind noise and buffeting, right? But they're talking about having the microphone detect the wind noise, and then they have to factor in the motorcycle's speed, and then the windshield is supposed to automatically adjust to reduce the wind noise and the turbulence. So I guess the idea of, ensuring a quieter ride that's more comfortable, a more comfortable rider experience when you're at higher speeds is a good thing. But I was thinking, right? All of us are different heights, different sizes. So I'm very curious how this is going to affect every rider. What do you guys think about this out there?
I've got another wonderful point.
Yeah?
Everybody wears a helmet, and most of us, or at least a lot of people I know, wear full face helmets. So at the end of the day, how loud is riding when you're wearing a helmet and you're all closed off?
I don't know. They talk about having the option to choose presets like wind protection, priority and vision priority depending upon what you guys require. But I don't know about this. You know, you can Google online, look for the patent drawings yourself if you want to get a closer look, but we'll see if this comes out in 2025, the 50th anniversary. What do you think, Mike?
Yeah, sounds like a lot of work. Why don't you guys let us know what you guys think about all this?
It was a lot of work just researching and reading this. My gosh. Anyway, but you're right. Let us know what you guys think. Is this something you need? Is it something you think average riders need? Let us know in the comments.
Thanks a lot, you guys.
We'll catch you next time. Thanks.